In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on your WhatsApp status without reducing quality. So to do this, first make sure you have your own contact saved on WhatsApp. Once you have that done, open your photos, select the image or video you want to send, and click on the share icon. Then send this to yourself. So when you're about to send this to yourself, you're going to see an option here to set this image or video to HD. If you selected multiple pictures or videos, then there's no problem. You can just tap here and all of them are going to be set to HD. If you want to post this with a caption, then you can go ahead and caption your images right here. When you're done doing that, click on send. So when you do this, you can then open up your chat on WhatsApp and you're going to see the media you sent right here. They already have captions on them. You can also open your WhatsApp chat and select your pictures directly from there. So to do that, click on the plus button, click on photos and select what you would like to send. When you do this, click on this icon right here to edit. Don't just click on the send icon immediately. So click on the edit icon and here you have the option to set that to HD. Then you can caption it or you can just send it. So you can just post this to your status by clicking on the forward button and forward it straight to your status. So it's going to go to your status with the HD quality. So when you click on the forward icon, you can change your caption here. If you don't like it, you can erase this and add a new caption. Or if you want to post without caption, you can see allow this blank. Then select your status and click on forward. And that is it. Very short and easy way to post on your status without reducing quality.